Hey, this is Amity with another quick tip for Kingsoft Office for Windows.
Today I'm going to show you how to change the user interface in Writer. Come up here to your toolbar and click Switch UI. You can see that what we are currently working with is called the Classic Skin, or Classic Style. Here we can change our color scheme. This changes the color of the toolbar as well as the background. You can also select different skins, including Elegant Black, The Elegant Black setting has been applied now that we've restarted Kingsoft Writer. To change the UI again, come up here to Switch UI, which can be found in the top right-hand corner now. We're on Elegant Black. We were on Classic. Now let's change to Water Blue. Now that we've restarted Kingsoft Writer, we can see that Water Blue has been applied.